How to log out Viber on PC. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log out or sign out from your Viber on your PC. For that, you'll have to open your Viber application on your PC by double-clicking on its icon. And once the application is open, you will see all your chats and contacts at the left corner of the screen. At the right side, you will find the settings icon. Click on that settings icon next to this Viber out option, and from here select privacy and security option on your account heading. Once you select it, next to it you will find the screen where you'll have to scroll down until you find this option deactivate Viber on your desktop. Once you click on this deactivate, it will delete all your conversation history and app data. Your conversation history will be still available on other Viber devices. You'll still be able to see your conversation history on your mobile if you have connected them. So now go ahead and tap on this deactivate button, and to confirm it, click on deactivate once more. You can also do it in your mobile device. Now you can see you have successfully logged out from your Viber account. Now if you want to re-log into your Viber account, you'll have to scan this QR code from your mobile device to link your account on both your devices. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.